Rodney D. Chisholm, Director of Bands of the Jarvis Christian College Marching Band, aka the Sophisticated Sounds of Soul. The Sophisticated Sounds of Soul, aka the S3, was founded in 2015. Our band program pride ourselves on 4 key elements: discipline, pride, attitude, and commitment. Those are 4 key elements that will make you excel in life.
As I stated, we work hard. We work extremely hard out here. Nothing is easy. Stretch it to the left! Attention, my numbers, what? 1, 2, 3.
Hello, my name is Jasmine King, and I'm from Jackson, Mississippi. I'm a member of the S3 Marching Band, and I play clarinet. Coming to Jarvis Christian College has been an interesting experience for me, but moreover, being a part of the S3 Marching Band has been magnificent.
My name is Charles Lauder. I'm from Houston, Texas. I attend Jarvis Christian College. I am a part of the S3 Marching Band. I play percussion, bass drum. Coming up from the northeast side of Houston, Texas, marching band is all we knew. All I had was a prayer and a dream. You have nothing to lose but everything to gain. Don't go somewhere where you can just be a number. Come out here with us family.
How y'all feel?
Lead, act down, what's the house down? Highly motivated, ah!
Here at Jarvis Christian College, you will not only get a first-class education, but you will get a hands-on education. Unlike some of the major universities and colleges, we here at Jarvis pride ourselves in success. We want to see our students succeed. We want to see our students grow. We want to see our students matriculate into a global society.
Hi, my name is Bria Marsh. I'm from Memphis, Tennessee, and I'm a part of Jarvis Christian College Sophisticated Sounds of Soul Band. I am the captain of Jarvis Christian College Go Rush Dance Line. Being a part of Go Rush Dance Line is a lot of work, but at the same time, it helped me grow as a better dancer.
My name is Raquel Calloway. I'm from Fort Worth, Texas, and I'm a member of the Go Rush Dance Line. Being a part of the Go Rush Dance Line could be fun and hard at the same time. We practice from sun up to sundown, but at the end of the day, we realize that hard work pays off.
I'm Imani Taylor. I'm a member of the Gold Rush Dance Line. I'm a freshman. I'm from Garland, Texas, and I'm also Miss S3. When I got to college, I wanted to try something different. I wanted to see if I could push myself to do something a little bit out of my comfort zone. And so far, it's been a good experience. It's hard work. It's long nights, early mornings, but I mean, it's all worth it in the end.
Hello, my name is Carrington Williams. I am from Little Rock, Arkansas. I am a freshman at Jarvis Christian College. I am part of the Sophisticated Sounds of Soul. I am Mr. S3. The things I can tell you about our band is we have a lot of fun. We have a lot of fun. We are a big family. We are someone that work together. We don't leave each other out. We are a band that if someone is down, we all are down. If someone is up, we all up.
The S3 is a very integral part in campus life at Jarvis Christian College. When you're attending the many HBCUs, we know that there are 3 important elements. Number 1 is athletics. Number 2, Greek life. Number 3, the marching band. The marching band is a highly spirited group that brings the campus together in one voice and unity.
guys, my name is Adela Suarez. I'm from Houston, Texas. I play piccolo in the Sophisticated Sounds of Soul in the Jarvis Christian College Band. One big happy family. Everybody is so close.
Hey you guys, I'm Sierra Horman and I'm from Lafayette, Louisiana. I play the clarinet and I'm a part of the Sophisticated Sounds of Souls of Jarvis Christian College Marching Band. Being in the band is fun. Yes, we do. We go out and travel. We have fun and we like to have this bind, but at the same time it's very hard work because nothing underneath the sun is free. And to order to be the best, you got to practice like this. So why don't you come down and be the part of the great movement and be the part of something that's going to be on to the next level. So come down to Jarvis and be a part of the S3.
For information on joining and scholarship information, please contact me, Dr. Rodney D. Chisholm, at area code 903-730-4890, extension 2153. Or you may email me at rchisholm@jarvis.edu. Always remember, I am